Hi, I'm Jackie. I'd like to talk about how to cope with losing a loved one. First of all, it's one of the worst feelings on the planet because sometimes you feel like you're wrong for being happy. You can't laugh, you can't be happy. You feel guilty to stay alive sometimes if it's someone you really loved, and you're never really prepared. Even if it is a death of someone you knew was going to pass, you think that maybe during their long illness you're prepared, but you really aren't. You realize this when they're actually gone, that you were never really prepared because of the pain that you feel. So most of the time you see other people dealing with, coping with the death of a loved one, they go to work and you wonder how they cope. That's how they're coping with it. That's them just trying to distract themselves. So there is no easy set formula. Everybody copes with the loss of a loved one in a different way. Sometimes it takes other people longer to deal with it. But either way, it's only a matter of time that eases that heaviness, that pain in your heart, because there's actually no set thing. Sometimes what you can do is think about what your past loved one would have wanted you to do at this time. Focus on doing things like that that might actually make you feel a bit better. Or if you just don't feel like doing anything, don't do anything. If you feel like crying, cry. There are no set rules. Deal with it the best way you can. And all I can say is you will be okay in the end. Thank you.